Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I would say welcome back to my kitchen. So guys, today I made one of my favorite snacks, and that is Chin Chin. Guys, if you love crunchy, sweet bites with a soft center, then this recipe is definitely for you. So guys, I'm going to show you how I made it from scratch. So in a bowl, that's my mixing bowl. I grabbed the sieve, added some all-purpose flour, added some added baking powder, added a little bit of nutmeg for that nice flavor. Guys, nutmeg makes all the difference, trust me. So I mix everything together until it is well combined. Now the next thing I did was I added some butter. I rubbed it into the flour until it looks like breadcrumbs. So I added some eggs, then I poured in my milk. Some milk, I used evaporated milk. I added my milk, I added water to form a soft dough. Guys, you don't want it to be too soft or too sticky. What you just need is just to hold everything together. I kneaded it gently. At first I mixed with my stand mixer, then later I kneaded it gently for a few minutes, then I set it aside. So after a few minutes, I rolled out the dough on the flat surface. So make sure it's not too thick and not too thin. Then I started cutting it into small cubes. So this is the part that normally takes time, but it's also kind of fun. So guys, you can cut them whichever way you like. You can cut them into squares, you can cut them into diamond shape, you can cut them into spiral shape. So whichever shape you prefer, you can cut your chin chin, depends on your preference. Now it's time to fry. So the next thing I did was I heated up some vegetable oil. I made sure it was not too hot enough before adding the chin chin in batches. Make sure you don't overcrowd your pan so that they can cook evenly. So I fried them on medium heat until everything was golden brown. Guys, the smell in my kitchen was so amazing. Now my chin chin is ready. I took them out and drained them on a paper towel inside my sieve. Guys, this chin chin is so crunchy, very very crunchy. So make sure you allow them to cool down before tasting. Living life like it's a fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle, she knows where she belongs. 'Cause
zone in every hour. Eunice living life like it's a fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle, she knows where she belongs. Eunice living life like it's a fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle, she knows where she belongs. Eunice moves with grace, she lights up the street. In her own little world, where the rhythm is sweet. Every step she takes, it's a dance on her own. Reflection of a queen, in a city she's grown. But they don't see the fire burning inside her. Eunice living life like it's a fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle, she knows where she belongs. With a flick of her hair, she turns heads in a crowd. Confidence shining, she stands tall and proud. Every challenge met with a smile and a sway. In the tales that she weaves, she's the one leading the way. Living for the now, she's owning every hour. Eunice living life like it's a fantasy, chasing dreams under moonlight, wild and free. Each moment a story, every heartbeat a song. In her lifestyle